right, now in this question we're asked, how much should be deposited today in an account that earns 6% compounded semi-annually so that it will accumulate to $10,000 in 3 years? And then in bold it says, round up to the nearest dollar. Okay, so first things first, we have a 6% interest rate. We're told that it's compounded semi-annually, or in other words, twice a year. So the number of compounds per year is 2. And we're not told the principal, we're not told the amount we're investing, we're told the amount we want to wind up with, which is $10,000. So not P, but A, the future value, or the final amount, is 10,000. Okay, and we want to know how much to deposit. So we're looking for P. So the formula for principal when you have the future value is that future value divided by 1 plus the rate divided by the number of compounds raised to the number of compounds times time. Now we're told that time is 3 years. We're letting it sit here for 3 years. So we're almost good to go. Just remember that whenever you have an interest rate as a percentage, you want to use it as a decimal. So the decimal is assumed to be right here at the end of the number. So 2 hops to the left is giving me 0.06. So let me plug everything in. We have 10,000 divided by 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 raised to the 2 times 3. Now, because I'm going to be throwing this in the calculator and I'm a bit paranoid, I always throw parentheses around any exponents that have more than one thing going on. Or you could just, 2 times 3 is 6 and put that in. That's probably what I'll do just now. So let me grab my calculator. Whoosh. We're going to do 10,000 divided by, parentheses, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2. Close these parentheses and raise it to the 6th. Hit enter. And I'm getting, what the calculator is giving me is 8,374.84. Blah, 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 more numbers. But this says here, round up to the nearest dollar. So, and it doesn't just say round, it says round up. So this is going to be $8,375. Now the normal rules for rounding is that if this is 5 or bigger, which it is, we add 1 to the number next to it and then drop everything else. And if this wasn't bigger than that, say 4 or below, I would leave it as 8,374. But we're talking about the amount of money you should deposit today to make sure that there's $10,000 in this account 3 years later. Because of that, you want to be extra sure with anything financial that you round everything up no matter what. So even if this was 0.001, I would still say $8,375 because I want to be absolutely sure that at the end of those 3 years, I've got at least $10,000 in that account. And so, that is this example.